All right, so YouTube just made it a whole lot easier for smaller YouTubers, specifically those with at least 500 subscribers, to land in front of new viewers. This means you can easily increase your impressions and get more subscribers without even uploading a new video. And today I'm gonna tell you exactly what YouTube has done and how to use this new feature so you can gain more subscribers in the coming year. All right, so yesterday on Twitter, YouTube announced that they are gonna be lowering the eligibility threshold for you to unlock your community posts. As of right now, you do need 1,000 subscribers to be able to post on the community tab. If you guys do not know what that is, it is a great place to interact with your subscribers, such as doing polls or announcing new videos or just chatting to see how your viewers are doing to boost your engagement. So, how does this help you when it comes to landing more subscribers and getting more impressions without making YouTube videos? Well, that's simple. Community posts actually show up on YouTube to viewers who are not subscribed to your channel, which increases your impression. Now, if you do not know, in order to gain more subscribers, you need your videos or your content to be presented in front of people who are not subscribed to your channel. And I know a lot of people freak out when they see this metric, but if you go into your YouTube studio, you're gonna see a spot that says subscribed and non-subscribed. And if you want to grow your channel faster, you need to make sure that your non-subscribe percentage is higher than your subscriber percentage. This means your content is being presented to people who have not subscribed to your channel, which means new eyeballs, which means they have a chance to actually subscribe, and that's how you gain more subscriptions. Now, with the community post, this is going to interrupt videos if you are on mobile. So as you scroll, you will see posts from people you may not be subscribed to. And I actually went over in this video right here about the importance of browse and how browse has really accelerated my growth over the last couple of months. And this is a really great way to get onto the browse or the home page. If you want more subscriptions, landing on someone's homepage is the best way to do this. And in your recommended section, not only do you have new videos from people you may not be subscribed to, you'll actually have community posts from people you are not subscribed to. So if you make a community post, you have a bigger chance of landing on someone's homepage and boosting your browse traffic, which means more people can see your content without you making new YouTube videos. Now, of course, just like other content, you do need to be strategic when it comes to community posts. And I have seen a lot of people unlock their community tab at 1,000 subscribers and definitely use their community tab wrong. So something you want to ensure is you are not just promoting your videos. You want to mix it up. There's a whole bunch of different features you can use when it comes to your community tab, which includes polls, which is actually a really good way to boost because people are more likely to just click a poll option. And if they interact with your content, even your community post, before you release a video, YouTube is more likely to include your video on the homepage the next time they open up that browser. So I always like to throw in a post right before I upload a new video because if that person interacts with a poll and I upload, I'm gonna show up on their browse page even more. Something else you can do is include photos, and they actually just updated this so you can include more than one photo. So just like on Instagram where you have carousels, you can do the exact same thing, and this does include GIFs, which is probably my favorite way to promote my videos. All right, and then of course you can promote new videos. So as soon as you post a video, or maybe you just wanna recirculate an older video that seems to be picking up traffic, and if you're wondering, yes, there are analytics to see which of your post is doing best. This way you can continue to create a strategy so you know polls are really good right before I release a new video. Maybe after I release the video, I can have a call to action or celebrate a win or just see how they're doing for the weekend. Whatever it is that you're posting, you can definitely keep track to see which ones are getting you the most likes, which ones are getting you the most comments, and which ones are actually helping you when it comes to getting more views on your regular long form content. And if you're wondering what you should create on your very first community post, remember to always add value to people, and remember that this is going to show up to people who may not be subscribed to your channel. So it's all about your first impressions. So as you're communicating with people who are subscribed to your channel, make sure you're also communicating to people who may not be subscribed but will want to subscribe after you post. All right, if you are going to be one of the millions of channels that's going to have this feature unlocked on October 12th, let me know in the comments down below what you're going to post first. And if you want to see more ways to show up on browse or YouTube's homepage, make sure to check out this video next. Now, get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.